All right, so I'm looking at a couple potential entries right now on either VSLR and possibly Snap. You can see I'm looking to see if price can break above that 1320-ish area right here. I'm long 1323 on VSLR, looking right around that 1340-ish or so level as resistance. Some also right there around 1327-ish as well. All right, see this next candle close, see if we can get above that kind of that 13, what is that, 29, 30-ish area. And then you could look at 1340-ish or so next resistance level. So we like, there we go, moving up. Like to see that. Let's see if we can break 1340. Next up, 1350 level. Let's see if we can break 1350 resistance. It's up against resistance there at 1350. If it can't break and hold 1350, I may look to get out, look for possible reentry. This again, just a potential scalp on this one. Another 15 seconds or so on this candle. Let's see if it can break 1350 and go. Struggling at that 1350. I'm out. So got in at 1323 and out at, what the heck is that? 1342. So, there it goes. Moved up. I was seeing some shakiness at that 1350, so I took my profits, got out, but now it's starting to run. So I got in. So I was about 18, 19 cent scalp. Just a quick move up in at 1323. And I was seeing a little bit of shakiness at that 1350, so I took my profits, got out. Let's take a look at this candle. You see, kind of moved up a little bit more. We'll give this another 15 or seconds or so. We'll watch and see how this candle closes. And I was looking at Snap, and now Snap is running, so that's okay. I took it on VSLR. Snap had a similar move. I'll look back. I'll take a look at Snap in a moment. I'm looking for a pullback. But there you go. So right here, so you have kind of that doji candle. So that's actually not a bad move. So right up, you know, I'm okay with that. So I took my profits a little bit earlier. This one could still keep going up. I'll keep an eye on, let's see here, where is high a day? So now it could have, pre-market high was 1394. So I may look for a possible pullback on that. Snap is doing something similar to VSLR at the moment. So continuing to move up on VSLR, that's fine. I took profits early. Not much. Let me look at some of these other ones. Now the market's starting to move up a little bit, so we're getting some hit in the scanners. I like stocks between like that $10 to $25 level. So what I'm showing you is scalping these. You can do the same thing with penny stocks. You're just going to be in, you know, typically not as long as I'm in, you know, I'm in many times for a few minutes on these stocks, whereas penny stocks, you're going to be in typically a lot less, maybe seconds. I might be in for, you know, a few minutes. You could be in, you know, with penny stocks, typically a few seconds or so, or, you know, up to a minute or so, depending on the float. If it's a higher float, you can be in longer. If it's lower float, it's going to be a lot quicker.